Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't order Cash App card unexpected error. First, open your Cash App and tap the profile icon at the top right. Scroll down to support under the account and settings section. Tap getting your card, then tap ordering a Cash App card. Read through the information to see if there's a fix provided. If that doesn't work, scroll to the bottom and tap chat. Type this message. Hello support team. I keep getting a can't order cash app card. Unexpected error. I've tried everything. Please help me fix this issue. Send it and wait for a reply. Support will assist you directly. And that's it. That's how to fix can't order cash app card unexpected error. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.